What's up, guys? John here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm just going to be talking about Merck in general. Yes. First of all, I'd like to say, Kim, if you're watching, thank you very much for that advice last night. Yes, last night, or yesterday morning, whatever, wherever you're from. But no, your advice was absolutely spot on, and it helped so much. 30% better off now, so I really do appreciate your help, Kim. That was pretty spot on. 2 thumbs up. Thank you. First of all, I just want to speak about something that I've been reading a lot on these Facebook groups, particularly UK ones. It's people that have just been accepted to the platform, or recently been accepted to the platform. They're on their first tiers and they're panicking because they're not getting any sales. So what I did read in particular was this one guy. What he's doing is he's recycling his designs like every day, every single day. He's putting them up. If he don't get a sale within a couple of hours, he's taking it off and putting a new one on. Like, and essentially, if anyone is watching this and you're doing the same, then the best advice I can give you, not that I am a guru, but the best advice that I can give you is don't do that. It is not going to work. And the reason being is because Amazon has to index your designs. And what I mean by this is, I'll give you a perfect example. My best selling design right now, it probably sells generally one time per day. Which is my best selling design. Happy days, yeah. But no, my best selling design actually sells like once a day. Occasionally there's a day that it doesn't actually sell, but mostly it will sell pretty much one time at least a day. And this design was live for about a month before it got any sales at all. Yeah, a full month it took for, I don't know if it took that long for Amazon to actually index it, but it did take that long for it to get any sort of traction within that niche. And now, after its first sale, it got to sell a BSR, and now it's gaining some serious traction. Like, people are buying this pretty much every day. In fact, if you search the keywords in for this design, it's usually within the first 3 t-shirt designs that show up. It depends on the sales at the time, but generally it's either number 1, 2 or 3. It's in the first 3, so it does take time, guys. If you are actually doing that, then just don't do it. I know it's Q4 and I know we're all eager to get tiered up. I was fortunate to hit tier 500 a couple of weeks ago, and now I'm just kind of throwing out as much design as I can. But I believe you really have to also really do a lot of research in your designs, and like keyword research, SEO is probably key to everything you're doing. Everything I'm doing right now, I'm actually playing about with the whole aspect of now you can put obviously swear words or curse words in your logos and your t-shirts. So I'm kind of experimenting about with that right now. I've done it before, put a couple of designs up last week and I haven't had any success, but again this could just be down to indexing. Occasionally you will put a design up and it will sell instantly, but I've had this one time. I put a design up, it was a Donald Trump one, yes, a Donald Trump one, and it sold instantly, as in like as soon as it went live I got a sale, bang, straight away. And I was like, this is the one, this is going to be golden, this is my golden ticket here. It's never sold since. It has not sold since. So it's a bit hit or miss with Amazon, to be honest. Like, you really need to kind of take it in your stride. But it's definitely a numbers game. More slots you have, the more opportunities that you have to obviously get sales. People are thinking that you have to put quantity over quality. I think it's definitely 50-50 in this respect. Like, people are looking for quality, but they're also, I mean, you have to see it through the consumer's eyes. They are not just going to buy all the crap. They are wanting to buy something with a bit of quality, a little bit of thought, and obviously a decent design. You're not going to go to a shop in the high street and pay whatever it is, $17.99, $18.99 for crap. you're definitely going to want something half decent. So if you're in the lower tiers, try and really hone your skills. Try and learn some decent designs, and really, 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 really can't express how important it is, but really learn how to do SEO and keyword research, because this is what's going to, that's make or break basically. You have to understand that your keywords are search terms, and essentially what you put in as your keywords is what people are going to be typing into Amazon search, and because of that, that will rank your design essentially, where it's going to be seen, whether it's going to be in a saturated competition or not. You want to try and make sure it's not in an overly saturated competition, or if it isn't an overly saturated competition, you want to make sure your design is the best it's there. In this day and age, that's not an easy ball game, because there are some amazing designers out there, and I'm certainly not one of them. But I follow a more niche market approach. I try and find things that aren't actually not necessarily not saturated, but I try and find niches that there's not loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of designs in. So the last couple of days I put up about 10 designs of the same design, just 10 different variations of the same design, and this is broken into two massive market niches. And strangely enough, these market niches are not saturated, and from what I found, just using obviously the Merc tools, etc., and keeping that, there's not actually a lot of competition there at all. In fact, in one of the markets there's only 20 designs, and in the other market there was only 16 designs relating to this particular one I'm putting up. But something I have done just to make it a little bit more unique completely sets it apart from the rest. So it's essentially in its own niche. It's in a niche within a niche within a niche. But I'm hoping that once these get indexed, that these will start to really blow up. One of my designs kind of done that. And another design, I'm actually going to talk about that right now. Another design that I did do that actually did really take off had been taken down. Now, if you've been following my videos, or if you're new to this, then I will explain. One of my videos got taken down due to a copyright term that I put in just in a bullet point, nowhere else in a bullet point. And I believe that putting this particular term in the keywords in the bullet point has probably boosted the sales. And I've noticed that loads and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of people are doing the exact same thing now. I got my design taken down due to copyright, so I'm going to tell you what it was, and that was Hallmark. Okay, Hallmark. I've noticed that my design has been copied since then, and it actually got to 100,000. It just started to dip below the 100,000 BSR, so it was doing very, very well. It was selling 2-3 times a day, every day, until obviously it was doing that well that somebody caught on to it. Obviously, I believe it would obviously be the trademark owners of Hallmark, and they notified Amazon. Amazon had taken it down and given me a pretty serious warning. So this was obviously a big mistake from my part. I didn't put Hallmark in the design, I put it in the keyword. Now, in a bullet point, I've noticed that there's several different variations of Hallmark designs up, and listen guys, if this is anyone that watches this video, if this is you, please do yourselves a favour and take it down. I know you may be getting sales from it, but it is such a dangerous game you're playing. Like, they will shut you down if you continue to do this. Like, it is very serious. It is proper copyright infringement, because I've noticed that people are actually writing Hallmark on the design itself, and in the keywords, and in the description. I done it in a bullet point, and only in a bullet point, and that alone was enough to get it taken down. So having it on the design is very, very dangerous and very stupid. I've learnt from my mistakes. I learnt a lesson on that one. So if this is anyone that watches this video and if you've done the same, please be aware. I'm not telling you how to run your business, but I would advise you, that's not okay. It is definitely not okay. Don't really know what else to talk about now. Watched Merck Campus yesterday, that Blake. Wow, oh my god. See the sales that guy is getting? Jesus Christ, like, I tell you something, that his channel is just such an inspiration, honestly. Like, he'll sit and do this 10-minute video and then all you hear is ching, 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 ching. Like, I really wish that was me, but this is someone that's obviously been at it for a long time and really knows his stuff, and he's been doing it for obviously just over a year now. But that's a hustler. No, I wish this guy all the best, and I wish this time next year I'll be in the same kind of predicament, but I highly doubt that. Well, never say never, shall we? We just have to keep trying and trying and trying and trying. But anyway, guys, listen, thank you very much for watching my videos. I noticed I got another couple of subscribers, and cheers, guys, that means a lot for you to follow my channel. I'll probably post maybe another one tomorrow. I don't think I'm that busy tomorrow, so I might put up another video tomorrow. For anyone that watches my Uber Eats vlogs, I've still not got a new bike. They're not cheap. Someone stole my bike. Anyway, sorry guys. As always, thank you very much. If you like my videos, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to see any more, please subscribe. Cheers guys, bye. I pressed stop recording, but it didn't stop. I won't edit that bit out. Cheers guys, bye.